These are cardinal tetras in the wild. They're dazzlingly beautiful blue and red fish with interesting, amazing little behaviors, and they make great aquarium fish. There's a wonderful story behind cardinal tetras and other wild-caught fishes of the Rio Negro. The Rio Negro is the largest tributary of the Amazon, and as such is characterized by having huge variations between the water level between the flood season and the dry season. That means that during the flood season, the river often goes up into the trees, creating a habitat known as flooded forest. A lot of the fish also go up into the flooded forest habitat. And then, as the water levels drop, a lot of these fish get trapped behind in drying up puddles. It is there that fishermen are able to go into the flooded forest and collect the fish passively. This way, they're collecting fish that are otherwise doomed to perish. These fish that are collected in this manner feed a thriving aquarium fishery that provides environmental conservation. This works because the people who are making their living catching aquarium fish know that their livelihood depends on having a good, clean rainforest environment to provide for the fishery. Thus, they oppose things that are dangerous to the environment or that deplete the fishery in ways that they are not able to sustain themselves, making them the most valuable environmental stewards. It is both rewarding and sustainable to keep cardinal tetras in your home aquarium. Cardinal tetras are perfect for smaller home aquariums, but are also wonderful in large aquariums in larger schools. As long as you keep 6 or more, your fish will be happy. They only grow to a size of 1 to 2 inches, so that makes them okay for a smaller tank, such as 10 gallons. As long as you can keep your water chemistry within healthy parameters, keep your water temperature between 74 and 86 degrees, and your pH between 4 and 6, your fish will be happy and healthy. They adapt well to a varied diet of flake food, live foods, as well as gels, and also foraging from things that they find growing in your tank. And remember, wild-caught cardinal tetras from the Rio Negro provide a sustainable source of livelihood for people who live in these areas and thus drive environmental conservation. Where you get your fish from matters. Ask for Project Piaba fish and wild-caught sustainable aquarium fish wherever you buy your fish. Thanks for listening. Buy a fish, save a tree.